This video will walk you through common App Store billing problems and how to fix them, so you can get back to downloading and enjoying your apps. Let's dive in. First, let's ensure your payment information is up to date on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. This opens your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. If you see any expired cards or incorrect details, this is the place to update them. You can add a new credit or debit card, or edit an existing one. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and security code are entered accurately. Also, verify that your billing address matches the address associated with your payment method. Your billing address is crucial for verifying your purchase. Even a small typo can cause a transaction to fail. Double-check all the details here. If you've recently changed payment methods or had a card expire, you might need to remove the old one and add the new one. Sometimes, simply removing and reading your existing card can resolve glitches. Another helpful step is to sign out of your Apple ID on your device and then sign back in. Go back to your name at the top of Settings, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Then, just sign back in with your Apple ID credentials. Once your payment information is confirmed and accurate, try making your purchase again. If you're trying to subscribe to a service, ensure that subscriptions aren't paused or require specific reactivation on the service provider's end. If you're still experiencing issues, it's worth checking your Apple ID balance. If you have gift cards, any outstanding balance will be used first. You can view your Apple ID balance in the App Store or your payment and shipping settings. Following these steps should help you resolve most App Store billing problems. Happy downloading.